How to fix internet connection problem or no internet in your Windows 10, how to fix it. So let's start the video. The first method is open Windows Explorer and right click on this PC option, click on manage. After that click on device manager option and click on network adapter option. Okay, and expand it. After that select here your network adapter and right click on it, click on update driver option and click here search automatically option. Okay, close it. Again click on update driver option and select this option. Let me pick and select here your network adapter and then click on next button. Your network adapter will update it successfully here. Okay, again right click on it, click on properties and power management option and if this option is checked, uncheck it and click on OK and check your internet connection is working or not. Okay, if your internet is not working here, we are going for next method. Right click on start button and click on setting option. After that click on Ethernet option and after that click on change adapter option. Right click on it, your network adapter and click disabled option. After that enable it and check your internet connection is working or not. Right click again on network Ethernet adapter, click on properties and if this option is unchecked here, check it and click on properties option. If you give any IP here, select here automatic. Okay, close it and check your internet connection is working or not. If your internet is not working, we are going next method. Right click on it, troubleshoot problem, click on. Troubleshoot could not identify the problem, close it. If your problem is not fixed here, we are going for another method. Right click on start button, click on setting option. After that click here network and internet option and click here network troubleshooter option. Close it and again close it this option. Right click again start button, click on settings. After that select here update and security option. And click here troubleshoot option. After that click additional troubleshooter option and select here your network adapter and click run the troubleshooter option. Okay, close it and check your internet connection is working or not. If your problem is not fixed here, we are going for another method. Again click on start button, right click on and click on run option and type here control and click on OK button and select here internet option. If this option is not displayed here, click on large icon here, internet option, select advanced tab and after that click on reset option. Okay, reset and click on reset and close it and check your internet connection is working or not. Okay, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.